Monday, 2 September 2024. Happy Labor Day. I got my center console in last night. It's in permanently. I need to finish my door back here. I started fabricating a shelf for my battery. It's about 80% of the way done. I'm gonna finish it up, finish this door up today. That's the plan. I figure I'll put a final coat of paint on the floor after this boat comes back from the marina that's gonna put the engine in. That guy's gonna be working, he's gonna be up under that console rigging it. He might scratch it, who knows, I just, I'll paint it when he's done working on it. Got my NC numbers on there. So need to take the stickers off. Don't like those stickers. So, what do y'all think? My center console. I think it's going to work out good. Centerline seating. The way I figured I'll be fishing by myself most of the time. So, that's where we're at. NC7405 November Delta. This thing's going to the marina Tuesday after I go weigh the boat. See how much weight I added. So, that's all I got for now. Peace out.